I still hear too often some personal trainers telling me social media platforms are not for me or no, I don't understand it, forget it. What you have to understand is that you don't have a choice. You don't have a choice because you might die.
To die?
No, but not really die. It's just that your business that may shut down. Today, whether you want to or not, you have to be active on social media, even if you only offer in-person personal training. At the end of this video, you will understand the benefit of social media platforms, which one are the best for you, and above all, I will share with you how to create a powerful content machine, so stay tuned until the end. First of all, I will share with you some obvious benefits of social media that are worth remembering. The benefits of social media platform. It's obvious that using social network is going to get you new clients. I'm not teaching you anything about this. But then how and why does it get you new clients? What allows me today to tell you that it will make you acquire new clients and allow you to grow your personal training business. The first reason is that by creating content, you can become an authority in your field. Become an authority in your field means being recognized as an expert by your audience or your niche. How do you become one? By providing value. If you want to succeed on social media and make it work, you have to provide value. You have to give as much free advice as possible to your audience.
But wait, if I give free advice, people don't pay me for my coaching.
Nope, that's not true. That's not true because people need more. Today, you have a ton of free content available on YouTube, and yet there are still a lot of people who buy courses. For your coaching, it's the same. To become an authority, you need to provide maximum value, and that's all you need to do. Your social media are not your sales platform. They are there to allow you to be visible to your audience by helping them to progress. By providing value for free, you will become an authority in your field. And as I said in the previous video, people only buy from experts. The second reason is that it will allow you to show that you can achieve real fitness results. Because it's nice to create content, but what can you really do? What are you capable of achieving in terms of fitness results for your clients? Don't get me wrong. If you want clients, you have to prove that you can generate fitness results. Yes, people will follow you for the advice you can give them, but how do you justify that those same advice are working? For that, nothing better than to show your clients results. With their agreement, you will post on the social media before and after pictures, videos of customers review, or even just workouts with them in which they are at their best. The third reason is that it will allow you to be seen by your target. Being seen is the most important thing.
No, the most important thing is to be a good personal trainer.
Not really.
Be careful about what you say.
Wait, let me explain. Today you can be the best coach on earth, but if nobody knows you, what's the point? Today you can also be the worst coach on earth. If everyone knows you, you will do more business than the best coach in the world. That's sad, right? But that's the reality. The business world is not easy, and sometimes there are realities that you have to keep in mind if you want to succeed. And this is one of them. If you want to succeed, you have to be seen. This rule applies to all personal trainers, even those who don't do online coaching. To be seen, you have to publish, and publish often.
Thank you, but there are a lot of social media platforms today. Which one should I focus on?
There are a lot of social networks for sure. Let's see together which are the best platforms for personal trainers. The 3 best social media for personal trainers. The first platform you absolutely must use is Instagram. Instagram is the social media for fitness trainers. Most of the content you will find on it is fitness related content. Why? Because people like to show their body. They like to show that they are making efforts to have the best body possible. They like to show to others that they have an healthy lifestyle. Fitness is still a very visual sport, and Instagram is the perfect platform to show fitness-related content. The thing is that on Instagram you have to differentiate yourself and be creative in your approach to fitness coaching. There are a lot of personal trainers who already have a strong brand identity, and for whom it works very well. If you want to succeed, you will have to bring a new touch, your touch. And most importantly, well, it seems obvious, but I want to remind it anyway, don't copy other people's content. Don't ever do that. Despite the fact that there's countless people in the fitness niche, the world of fitness professional on Instagram is a very, very small one. Almost everyone knows each other or knows the content that others are posting. If you copy content, others will know it very quickly. And more importantly, it won't take long for regular users to figure it out too. Never do that. Create your own original content, experiment and see what works best for you. The second social media to use is TikTok. I hesitated before posting it first honestly. Today, TikTok is really a must for personal trainers. You can really go from being an unknown personal trainer to a superstar in just a few months. And that's really amazing. TikTok today for many professionals in the business is still a platform for young people and a platform dedicated to dance. But not at all. On top of that, creating content on TikTok will allow you to create content for two social platforms. All you have to do is publish your TikTok on Instagram as Reels. I will talk about it in the last section. The third platform to use is YouTube. YouTube is not as easy as TikTok. You will not become a superstar in a few months. But in the long run, it is the best possible platform for you. And by the way, it's not a social network, it's a search engine. Better yet, it's the second largest search engine in the world after Google. That's good because Google bought YouTube. You can be sure that over the next few years, if you position yourself correctly, that you will benefit a lot from it to grow your personal training business. It's a platform that will allow you to leverage a very important thing that I mentioned earlier, your authority. On YouTube, you will have more time to cover topics that are important to you and help your audience reach their goals. In the next section, I will share a very useful strategy to create a content machine. Build a content machine as a personal trainer. As a personal trainer, you have a lot of things to do every day. So I can understand why creating content may scare some people. Now you need to know that creating content can be optimized. Largely optimized to allow you to publish one piece of content per day. If I were you, here's what I will do. The first thing I will do is focus on YouTube. Why? Because with YouTube, you can create a content machine for all the other platforms. All the other platforms are moving toward videos, and if you start from YouTube with a long format, you will be able to adapt to the others. So I will start by writing videos for YouTube. The second thing I will do is use the script for the YouTube video to write my TikToks. The third thing I will do is I will use my TikTok for Reels as well. There, in only 3 steps, you have content for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. A 10-minute video on YouTube can give you at least 10 TikTok if you do it right. Besides videos, you can use the content of YouTube videos to create carousel or classic posts. Creating content doesn't have to hold you back on your growth. Quite the opposite. I hope this video has opened your eyes to the importance of social media as a personal trainer. To complete this video, since we talk a lot about YouTube, if you really want to become a rockstar in a few months on YouTube, I invite you to watch this video.